Bitcoin's weekly close has got some great surprises in store for us as the parabolic uptrend does continue, putting $28,000 on the near-term cards. Also, Shiba Inu exploded yesterday. What could that mean for the wider altcoin rally? And of course, we have to talk about Ethereum just a little over a month from the merge happening, and we are battling with $2,000 right now. My name's Lark. I make videos on investing. If you do like that topic, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and also leave a little tap on the thumbs up button. Let me know you do like this kind of content. Now let's get into it. Now let's dig into the charts here. So our old buddy Bitcoin, let's start off with the BTC USD charts. We can see here our parabolic uptrend does remain intact. This is on the weekly. Of course, you can flip it over to the daily as well and get a pretty good view of where we are currently heading with this move. We are heading towards $28,000, ladies and gentlemen. That is where we are moving right now for this. This uptrend remains intact, and our major area of price resistance is going to come in there around $28,000. Also very much worth noting, of course, the next major area to really have an eye on is the 200-week exponential moving average, around $26,700. Another potential area where we could see that price resistance coming in, but 28K, in my opinion, that is the big number to be watching right now. Also, a reminder that all this exciting price action, we still have not broken out of the overall downtrend that has been in place since the start of January 2021. In order to get over that, we need to get about a 45 on the RSI there. Until then, this is a bear market rally until proven otherwise, as I keep saying. Would a move to 28K get us there? Well, it would certainly get us probably up close to retesting that line, but we need to really crash over 28K in a serious way to say, hey, we're really breaking out here, and maybe this rally is something more. Also, of course, worth noting that the MACD is still on the bullish on the weekly, right? We had that bullish crossover 2 weeks back, still working its magic, still pushing us higher. So nice to see that coming through. 28K remains the big target right now for Bitcoin in the short term. Doesn't even seem that crazy of a target. It's, of course, assuming that no macro stuff comes in, spoils the party, essentially. We should be doing pretty well to hit that 28K target in the coming days or weeks. Bitcoin's a slow mover, right? Doesn't move like a lot of the coins in the market. It's slower on the way down, slower on the way back up. Well, not always slower on the way down, but definitely slower on the way back up without a doubt. By the way, if you do want to trade some cryptocurrencies, get yourself an account over on Buybit. It is the best exchange for longing and shorting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, and all of the other top coins. You can also trade on their spot markets. They have one of the biggest spot markets for altcoins in the world. And if you use the link down below in the description to start your account, you will get 30% off of your trading fees and up to $4,450 in deposit bonuses, which is insane. So do check that out if you are a trader. Now, let's talk about Shiba Inu. So this is from Santiment. Shiba Inu has been on the move this weekend, up over 34% in the past 24 hours. It's actually up over 40% now since the time that they posted this. Not so coincidentally, whales have been very active on SHIB. There have been 433 transactions valued at over $100,000 a piece. That is the most in 4 months. So we are essentially seeing a big amount of whales moving in to SHIB, pushing up the price. So you can see here, massive spike in the price, huge number of 100K plus SHIB transactions. Seems everybody is getting excited for the future of Shiba Inu right now, pushing that dog coin trade. Now, what's interesting about a dog coin pump like this is that dog coin pumps are often leading indicators for wider altcoin rallies in the market. Now, is history repeating? Is this time going to be different? We shall find out, of course. Now, Shiba Inu does have a lot of upcoming catalysts, like their upcoming Layer 2 launch and stuff like this. There's a lot of stuff happening at Shiba Inu. If you haven't seen my recent video on Shiba Inu, I highly suggest you go and watch it because I break down everything that you need to know that's been happening with Shiba Inu recently. There's a lot more going on here than just the dog meme coin. It is a dog meme coin, but it's a dog meme coin that does stuff. So there's that distinction to make. But look at this chart. This is nuts. That is one heck of a pump right there. And of course, Gravity's already catching up a little bit, but look at that candle. Mighty beautiful candle right there. Now what's interesting is that candle breaks a downtrend that has been in place since October 2021. That's a damn big deal. This is the highest volume. Look at this. You see his volume spike down here? That is one heck of a volume spike, man. That is the highest volume day for SHIB trading since all the way back here, November 2021. So huge spike in volume, huge spike in whale activity, and a breakout of the downtrend. Very, very interesting to see. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if a retest come back down here, even potentially retest the top of this line before blasting higher, assuming, of course, the wider market momentum does hold up and this isn't just a temporary anomaly and whale manipulation. But if there is actually that excitement building for SHIB around these upcoming updates, could end up being something more. Not personally into trading dog coins and all that stuff or investing in dog coins, but it is worth noting for all of the canine enthusiasts out there in the audience. Finally, let's take a quick look at Ethereum before wrapping up today's video. Ethereum currently fighting $2,000. Now this has been the story basically for the last couple of days. We've seen on the 13th, got over $2,000, came back down. On the 14th, over $2,000, came back down. Now here we are, August 15th, trying to get over $2,000 again at the time of recording this video. $2,000.09, 14 cents, 18 cents. You can see the struggle going on right here. It's a major area of price resistance right here, right? You can see that this was a major area back here in May. We've also got a lot of other price confluence. We go further back in history for the $2,000 area. I mean, look at this, right? All the way back here to February 2021. That's an old area of price resistance. So conquering that big psychological number, that's our current challenge here for Ethereum. We're 31 days away from the merge. I expect we will continue to see hype building between now and then. We are reaching an overbought area finally here on the RSI, on the daily for Ethereum. So that would be an area that would tend to indicate that markets are pushing pretty hard. And once we probably see this event pulled off in a few weeks' time, well, you know, maybe things will cool off a bit for Ethereum and the old buy the rumor, sell the news kind of idea. Some people will say it's not going to be buy the rumor, sell the news, Lark. Everything's just too bullish for Ethereum. It's going to be the new paradigm of money, etc., etc. I know. I've heard this around every major tech upgrade that's happened in crypto, and 9 times out of 10, it's buy the rumor, sell the news. But it depends on wider macro conditions. If the wider macro conditions turn very favorable later this year, and in 6 weeks' time, 5 weeks' time, I guess, then yeah, maybe we do see a continuation for Ethereum running past that. But you got to remember, we still have lots of stuff going on. Inflation's still running high. It's running very high in Europe. We have the gas situation in Europe, which has not been resolved. And we have the thing going on in China, which I'm making a video on here for you in a few days to explain that situation a bit more. So there's stuff going on in the global economy that could derail our crypto rally. So just keep that in mind. A lot of that actually coincides with, basically 4 to 6 weeks from now, essentially. So will it just be buy the rumor, sell the news based on the Ethereum merge happening, or will it be because macro events drag Ethereum down? I suppose we will find out, but I will keep you updated on that situation as we get closer to it, of course. Anyway, what is your opinion on all of this? Are you trading Shiba Inu right now? Are you getting excited for the big updates coming for Shiba Inu? Or are you keeping it simple, staying away from the dog coins, just trading the big boys, Bitcoin and Ethereum, seeing what's going on with those? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.